Hey guys, this is Steve, Kettlebell instructor here at Centerline. So Collin and I are putting together a little at-home bodyweight workout for you to do. So I'm going to show you a couple exercises, and then he's going to show you a couple exercises, and then we'll go through the workout for you. My exercises, first of all, we're going to do some lunges, bodyweight lunges. So we're going to do them in two different ways. We're going to do forward and backwards lunges the first time, and then we're going to do a side and curtsy lunges the second time. So forward and backwards lunges, you're just going to take one leg, step forward into a lunge, and then step backwards into a lunge, and just go back and forth on that leg, and then we'll switch and do the other leg. So you can either kind of stop in the middle and go back and forward, or just go in one continuous motion from the forward to the reverse, whatever works best for you. So that's forward reverse lunges, side curtsy. We're going to step out to the side and then step around behind you for the curtsy. So we step out to the side and then around behind you in the curtsy. So out to the side, sit back with your hips, weight stays on the heel, push back to center, and then step around, kind of in a circle behind you, and then come back up. And then we'll do the other side. That, out to the side, and then curtsy. Okay, one side, one curtsy. Okay, so those are the lunges. Back exercise, I'm going to show you, I don't even know what to call it, but we're going to lie down on the floor with your knees bent like you're going to do glute bridges or something like that. Then what you're going to do, tuck your chin down, lift your head up like this, then you're going to take your elbows, push your elbows into the floor to lift your body up. So you'll be squeezing your shoulder blades together, pushing your elbows down into the floor. It looks like a sit-up, but it's not. It's my back muscles doing the work. Okay? So those are my exercises. Over to Collin.